Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place: power, firmware, and a safe backup. Once connected via serial or SSH, export logs and take a recovery snapshot so you can revert if needed. Next, put the dynamic cow into maintenance mode to prevent state changes while you work. While doing this, verify the firmware build and module versions. Mismatches often cause runtime failures. Make sure network interfaces are stable before proceeding to active fixes. You now run targeted diagnostics and collect stack traces and error codes to pinpoint the failure. Once you have evidence, compare the running configuration with a known good baseline to reveal missing or conflicting parameters. If a specific module fails, reload it individually and watch CPU, memory, and I/O to see if the issue recurs. If state corruption appears, apply the saved snapshot selectively and reinitialize the cow's state machine. Then rerun the diagnostic set to confirm progress. You finish by reintegrating the dynamic cow into production carefully and watching logs and metrics for at least 15 to 30 minutes to catch regressions early. After stability is confirmed, document every change, exact version numbers, and the commands you ran so others can reproduce your fix. If the problem returns, escalate with the captured logs, stack traces, and a minimal reproduction plan. That concrete evidence speeds diagnosis. One key tip: check for subtle timing issues if intermittent failures can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.